The US dollar managed to keep from falling after it was reported that the number of new homes in the US increased despite high mortgage rates. The news on economic growth and the industrial sector in the United States encouraged investors as well, and this reinforced the view that the US economy is resilient and can withstand another interest rate hike. In our review, we will focus on other events that may impact investor sentiment in the market. You are watching Traders Calendar on the InstaForex TV channel. On Thursday, the trading day will begin with the news about the Australian labour market. It's estimated that 20,000 people were employed in September, which is quite a good increase for the Australian economy. In the last reporting period, the labour market added 3 times more jobs than expected. If the forecast comes true, it will signal that the economy can withstand another interest rate hike by the Reserve Bank of Australia in order to curb stubborn inflation. As a result, the Australian dollar may grow in the short term. On Thursday, markets will prepare to assess the report on unemployment claims in the United States. The indicator is projected to post a stable figure of 210,000. Given the state of the US labor market, investors can draw conclusions about the actions of the US regulator. However, markets are likely to disregard the report. The reason for this is that the head of the Fed will be speaking a little bit later on Thursday. Powell's speech may shed light on possible changes in the regulator's monetary policy. Previously, his remarks involved hints about another rate hike. If the Fed chairman's rhetoric does not change, the US dollar will likely strengthen across the board. The US currency is likely to gain against the Japanese yen as a consumer inflation data will be released in Japan on a Friday morning. The indicator is forecasted to slow down to 3.1%, and notably the Bank of Japan is keeping the interest rate in a negative territory to support the economy and does not intend to change its policy until inflation decelerates to 2% annual target. Thus, the regulator is unlikely to make an interest rate hike. However, it may intervene in the forex market to support the depreciating yen. Therefore, investors will likely remain extremely cautious when trading the dollar-yen pair. Last year, the Bank of Japan stepped into the market when the national currency weakened to the level of 150 against the greenback. And this trading week offered an abundance of macroeconomic reports from the UK. At the end of the week, markets will digest the retail sales report for September. Analysts believe that the indicator will show a 0.3% decline. Most likely, investors will abandon the British pound and turn to the US dollar on the news. And we will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports. Subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions and offers are welcomed. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.